Good afternoon, guys. It's 1:15 in the afternoon and I cook oatmeal champorado. I put Hershey syrup chocolate. I add some cinnamon. I put some non-fat powdered milk. I put raisins. And I put semi-sweet chocolate tidbits. I'm craving for champorado. I have no sweet rice, so I use the oatmeal and it tastes good. Try also, it's very easy and quick to cook. Yummy, yummy. You can add sugar if you like, but me, I don't like sugar. I have the raisin. I put the raisin. That's it, the raisin, powdered milk, and Hershey chocolate. And so that's it. Yummy, yummy. Let's eat.